Hi, so we'll be solving this question maximum subarray. We are given an integer array and we need to find a subarray which is continuous non-empty sequence of elements within an array and find the largest sum, and we have to return the sum. So for this algorithm we can do one thing, that the naive approach would be if we calculate the sum for all the elements again and again, and see which one is the greatest. But the time complexity for this given set solution would be, there would be one loop calculating, going from the first value to the last, then the second loop would be going from uh, for I to I to n minus 1. N is the this thing, length. Then we'll have one loop for int j to n minus 1. Then we'll have one more to calculate the sum. So this would result in n cube complexity, but we can decrease it by, if we have the current sum, if we take the first value and have it as a current sum, and we just add the next value, then we'll be having n squared solution. But more optimal solution would be if we were to use something like, if we have current sum and the value of current sum is negative, we can drop it off and we can continue with our solution. So what I'm saying is, if current sum is equal to this value would be 0, and we'll initialize the sum, which would be our answer. We need to return its sum, so this would be the answer. We'll initialize it by the first value. Now what we'll do is, for int I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus, and we will return sum. If the value of current sum is less than 0, we'll reinitialize it to 0. Otherwise, current sum will be equal to current sum plus the next element in the array, and the value sum would be maximum value of the sum and the current sum. This will result in having the value. Let's try run it and see. This is 0, this is -2 for the first iteration. Let's take this example first. This is 1, 0 to this will run, current sum is 0, this will not run, this will be equal to 1, sum is equal to math.max, so this will remain as 1. Okay, let's take this example. current sum is equal to 0, sum is equal to 5, sum is equal to 5 for the first value. Now this loop will run 5 times. Current sum is 0, this will not, this is false, so we come here. 0 plus 5 is 5. Math dot this value will be 5 as well. Now we come back. 4, this is still greater than 0, so we come here. 5 plus 4, which is 9. We come back to this point, it will be 9 again. Now we come back, it is minus 1. Current sum is greater than, so we come here. 9 plus minus 1 is 8. Maximum sum will remain 9. Sum is 9, current sum is 8. Then we come back to this condition, it is greater than 0, so we come here. 8 plus 7, which is 15. Math.max 15, which is greater between 15 and 9, so 15 will be the value. Come here, this is greater than 0. 15 plus 8 is 23. 15 and 23 is again 23, and we return 23. So this is working as expected. We dry ran it once. Let's check it and see if it is working with the open test cases. The time complexity for this solution is O of n, because we are only running it once, and the space complexity is also is O of 1. We are not using any additional space, we are just having two separate counters and going through it. Yeah, this works. Okay, thank you.